Talking to a room that's full of faces, but my words disappear without a trace. Every sentence falls like rain on stone, standing in a crowd still feeling alone. I smile when they look, say that I'm okay, hide the storm that's growing every day. Something's changing deep beneath my skin. I don't recognize the place I've been, and I keep reaching out, but nobody seems to see the person that I was, slowly slipping away from me. 'Cause I'm feeling broken inside, like a light that's trying hard to shine. I'm talking but nobody's listening, and I'm losing pieces of my mind. I don't know where I belong anymore. Every open door feels closed somehow. I'm feeling lost inside myself, and I don't know who I am now. The mirror shows a stranger in my place, someone wearing my name in my face. All the things that used to feel so right fade away like shadows in the night. I keep searching for the missing part, trying to put together my own heart. But every step I take feels out of place, like I'm running and can't find my space. And the louder that I scream, the quieter I become, like a voice without an echo, like a song without a drum. 'Cause I'm feeling broken inside, like a light that's trying hard to shine. I'm talking but nobody's listening, and I'm losing pieces of my mind. I don't know where I belong anymore. Every open door feels closed somehow. I'm feeling lost inside myself, and I don't know who I am now. Maybe someday someone will hear the words I've carried through the years. Maybe someday I'll find my way back to the person who slipped away. But tonight I'm standing in the dark, holding on to one remaining spark. I'm feeling broken inside, but a small part of me survives. Though nobody seems to listen now, there's still a voice that stays alive. And maybe I belong somewhere, even if I haven't found it yet. I'm lost inside myself tonight, but I'm not ready to forget. I'm still here, though nobody hears. I'm still here.